growing one right here, and then we have a model of an adult one on this end of the tank. So these long prop roots, they are extended into the water, so these trees are adapted to live in a saltwater environment, as are the black and the white mangroves, even though those trees are found a little farther up the coastline. So red mangroves, they have membranes in the roots that don't allow salts to be absorbed into the tree. Now the black and white mangroves, they'll absorb salt, but then it's excreted through the glands in the leaves. So all the species of mangroves have a way to deal with living in salt water. It's either a protective membrane or excretion through leaves. So the red mangroves, they function as important habitat for a lot of juvenile fish species. Their roots that extend into the water offer a very enclosed habitat, so a lot of smaller fish can get in there and escape larger predators that would want to eat them. So it's a very protected environment for these smaller fish to grow up in, and it's also very nutrient dense because all of the leaves that fall from the mangrove trees kind of stays around the water, decomposes, and that becomes a nutrient in that environment. So the mangroves, they function as protection, habitat, nutrients, and then they also are another type of buffer for storm energy. So it's very important that we have these mangroves on our coastlines. So if you live along the water, don't remove your mangrove trees, and if you don't live along the water, then at least promote saving these mangroves because that's kind of what's keeping our coastlines where they're supposed to be. So now we're going to go around and throw the food.
Okay, we're gonna go see they're showing the food. So
So in this case, we have one small swallowing fish, those are Malmara, they're really little great skinny guys. We also have a couple of different types of snappers. You can see these larger ones swimming around with red snapper. We also have two small filefish in here. They're sort of yellow guys, sort of flat, really fine looking face, and you can kind of see them swim around. They're a little bit bigger, about foot size, so they're yellow, and we have blue swirls on them. That's what we name blue swirl, because it looks like a little big swirl on the crown. Also, we have 3 yellow stingrays in here. Yellow stingrays are a lot smaller than the southern stingrays. These guys are smaller with more rounds and have really yellow designs on them. So if you take a look at the bottom, you'll see the numbers. We have the bars still on them. When I get to the shepherd tank, I'll tell you a little bit about the stingrays and the bars. And also in here, we have a green sea turtle. His name is Coda. He's going to be our partner, but right now he's not able to do this. He doesn't locate in the bottom. And so we'll be putting him with some eggs so he can really not be right here in the whole window. We also have other kind of color in here. She's been here a little bit longer, but she has a very similar problem and so we have those around. Alright, so we're going to move on to the next shore reef tank.
So we're going to the other side. I'm trying to show you these.
And it can occur in pretty shallow water. Basically, any large structure that stays underwater during low tide can be considered nearshore reefs. The nearshore reefs aren't actually made up of coral. They're made up of worm tubes. So these little worms will make sand tubes, and when a lot of them get together, they form a large structure. So that's what these rocks are made up of. So in the nearshore reefs, they're a very important habitat for juvenile fish. So when fish are bigger, from fish that grow up in the mangroves, they're a little bit bigger. They'll move out to the nearshore reefs. And it's a good environment for them to really get larger. So nearshore reefs have a lot of biodiversity. So it's really important to have good habitat for a lot of different fish and sea animals and organisms. So it's very important that when you're swimming, snorkeling, or diving, just to be conscious and aware of where these nearshore reefs are and you're about learning about them from them. So it's really important to be aware of your surroundings so you don't have these structures. So I'm going to go around with the food. These larger fish, sort of on this side, the large silver ones, those are our tarpon. You guys are just doing that. We'll see a lot more department when we move on to the other tanks. In this tank, we also have some snappers and grunts. Then we also have forkfish, that's this yellow guy that you see around here with the two black stripes going down his face. We also have angelfish and small minnows and great blue green. So in here, there's a lot of fish, there's a lot of different species of fish that live in your shore reefs. And it's very important to make sure you know where they are and how to protect them, because they're vital environments for our organisms. And so the fish that we want is to keep coral reefs. So if you guys could just follow me over there, I'll continue the feeding presentation from there. This is a very important environment for a lot of different fish and organisms. You know, coral reefs, only the outer layer is actually alive. If you were to take the coral reef and cut it in half, don't recommend it, but if you were, the whole inner layer is just polyp skeletons. So only the very outer layer of this reef is alive. Because the coral polyps, they grow in little layers on top of each other over time. So we have the blue parrotfish that is completely blue, and it has a beak-like mouth. Parrotfish, they have these teeth in the front. They actually will eat algae off of the coral. Here's a rainbow parrotfish kind of on this one at the front. We also have a large green moray eel in this tank. His name is Morty, and if you look close, you can actually see him hiding in this coral structure right in front of this window. He's kind of off here. The green moray eels, they like to hide in coral structures because they have very soft skin. So hiding in rock coral, rock art permits for artificial reefs in the United States. And artificial reefs, they really help take the pressure of recreation off the natural coral reefs. So they're good places to visit without to see coral reef ecosystems without really disturbing actual coral. So right, the food in.
We are in here once a day to feed the turtles. They get fed every day, 7 days a week. So there's all these students in the lab. Some students finished earlier. Some students are less popular than others. So just depends on how much you got here or if there were students.
Kind of interesting. No, it is interesting, you know.
You guys have any questions? Are you guests that joined?
I have one question.
Yes.
They discussed that they have different